Here's another update. Just a winter wonderland here in Texas. I had no choice. I had to drive to the factory to make sure everything's okay. Truck weighs right at 10,000 pounds with everything I got in it. Four-wheel drive, of course. And this snow is a foot deep. And I shoveled a little pathway to get to the truck this morning to get it mostly cleared off. This is Texas. I don't have a proper snow shovel. Did have a grain scoop. Used it. RV brush to clean it. Right now it's 10 degrees. When I was shoveling the snow, I froze my dang mustache in Texas. Never thought I'd experience that. And yeah, it's cold. Roads are a mess, of course. Few brave souls wound up in the ditch, just abandoned their vehicles. And four-wheel drive is nice, but you still got to stop. And when you compress the snow, you're driving on ice. I just took it easy, about 15, 20 miles an hour. Did just fine. Everything is closed. There is nothing open. My factory is fine. I was concerned about this foot of snow caving in the roof, and it did not. It's fine. Heaters are still going. So inside the building's fine too. No busted water pipes. But yeah, it is quite the mess. Did manage to get to the bird feeders and fill them up. Poor little birds. They need the bird seed right now so they don't die. 10 degrees. Wind chill's about 2 right now. Wind died down a little bit. But yeah, sun's going to come out. Wife thinking it's going to melt the snow. Try to explain to her, no, it's 10 degrees. The snow's not going to melt. But she'll figure it out. And she loves snow until she gets out in it. And in about a minute and a half, she's done with all that. Wants to get back in the warm. So we'll see what Tuesday brings. This is Monday, day after Thanksgiving, or shit, Valentine's Day. Thank you.